a tropical storm coming to Tokyo.
Yeah, we're watching that closely. By this time tomorrow morning, we're expecting a different view there, though the winds won't be the big story. The rainfall will be intense at times, so this is causing the change up to the Olympic schedule. If you've downloaded a schedule guide a month or so ago, all this is going to be changing for those rowing events and things like that. Monday, maybe into Tuesday. Notice the winds here at the tropical storm, about 35 miles per hour as it crosses the coast, but look at the projected rainfall in and around Tokyo. We're looking at 2 to 3 inches of rain coming down between Monday and Tuesday. And as that runs off into some of the harbors and bays and may impact water quality at times too, we know it's going to affect Monday perhaps, but possibly into Tuesday. In the 3-day forecast, you can see the thunderstorms, wind at times for Monday, decreasing impact by Tuesday. And then by Wednesday, back to that Miami-like weather Tokyo typically sees this time of year. Right now in San Jose, we're not seeing that type of humidity. 80 degrees, humidity at 45%. Dry for now around Livermore, up to 94 degrees. Humidity bone dry at 11%. To Walnut Creek, similar temperatures there in inland Contra Costa County. 92 degrees, humidity at 20%. And the fog and the air conditioning continues in San Francisco. 62 degrees and the west wind going at 15 miles per hour. And more of that as we head towards tomorrow morning. Areas of low clouds at times. Fire danger suppressed along the coast in the inner bay due to those low clouds and misty skies at times. Afternoon temperatures tomorrow similar to what we had today, but we're going to see more clouds by late day, which leads to the bigger changes potentially as it could impact fire danger by tomorrow night. Now notice the low clouds to start the day here off on the right side of the screen. Those are the mid-level high clouds, or what we consider tropical looking clouds that typically do come in from the southeast as that monsoon spills out of Arizona toward the Sierra by tomorrow afternoon and evening, and eventually that's going to push a bit farther to the west. You can see where that high is centered. Look how the band of green pushes over the Bay Area. You'll notice more humidity, kind of a muggy feel to the air Monday and Tuesday, especially as our temperatures start to climb on up. So as you look at this projection for where the highest concentration of lightning will be, the potential of fire danger initially highest out there toward the Sierra, but there's a chance we might see a little bit of that toward the Bay Area. As you can see, Monday and Tuesday, that moisture still sweeps through the Bay Area, through Northern California. Things trend hotter as we head towards the middle part of the week as the high does build back towards California. So check out the temperatures. San Francisco, you may actually see 70s for the middle part of the week. So temperature-wise, that's pleasant, but what's unpleasant is the heat that'll be in the valleys, as you see, mid-90s, and that risk of fire danger we're going to have to watch closely. Right now, it does have a Sierra focus, but more of that could be closer to the Bay Area by Monday and Tuesday. So fire weather watches got put up near Eureka within the last 12 hours or so. There's a chance we might see some of that issued for some of our local mountains too, something we'll be watching closely as we wrap up the weekend.